Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we are going to be finishing cleaning up this Russlock. We got to sand this side down. We got to clean this knife up. We got to give it a new edge right here. And I'm going to be showing you the results of this side. I'm not going to show you here right now. I'm going to be showing you that next of how this side turned out. That turned out absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait for y'all to see that. But anyway, I got to clean this blade up, get some of these scratches out, give it a new edge, oil it down, clean out the inside, and it's going to be my carry. But can't wait. I like the color on this side, I really do, but we still got to get the dinginess off of it. And it's going to look good when we get done. This side already is beautiful. Cannot wait to share that with y'all. And I ain't even hit it with 5,000 paper yet. So again, this thing, it's gonna look good. Can't wait to get it done. Anyway, guys, let's get over here to the other shop so we can get this knife cleaned up and get back over here and polish it up. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for being here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, we are fixing to toast this bad boy up. We're just gonna dab the little bit of oil away, and we're just gonna hit in them grooves right here. Hoorah! That's gonna look good, y'all. Okay, guys, we are fixing to sand this down. Let's see what it looks like. We're gonna use a 1000. Okay, guys, it is looking ever so good. We're gonna wax it. I'm gonna show you this side real quick. Then we're gonna clean the whole knife up. Look at that. Golly. I love that right there now. Now, we got to clean this side up. We're going to sand it down. We're not going to sand it hard. We're going to see what it looks like once I get done, but I really like the color already, but I've got to get the dinginess off of it. So we'll see, because I think the color is going to stay there real good, but I am going to sand it down. It's going to look good. But man, I love that right there now. It turned out good. It looks a whole lot better than what it did, you know. Here's what it looked like before. There's what it looks like now. Absolutely love it. Beautiful. But guys, we got to clean this up. We got to sand this blades down. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it with a fiber wheel over there and then sand on it some with a high grit, like a 2000 on and on up to 5000. So, but this is gonna look good, guys. I love that right there now. This is gonna be my carry one right here. I'm gonna put my Harvest Orange one up over there with my Halloween knives. Let's get over to the other shop, guys, and we'll hit that with the fiber wheel. We'll clean this knife on up some, and we'll even sand this side down, and then we'll come back over here and shine it up. Hoorah. Okay, guys, we're about to hit this blade with a fiber wheel, so when we're sanding on this Stag, we can sand on the blade too. Okay guys, we're fixing to start sanding on this thing. I'm using 400 grit to start with. All we got to do is this side because that side's already been done. But I don't plan to toast this. I just want to get the dinginess off of the Stag here. So we're fixing to start sanding on it, and we'll get back with you in just a second. Can't wait to carry this thing tomorrow. Might be on a little knife hunt, I don't know yet. Alright, now we're gonna wax it. Alright, now we're going to put some Brian's nice oil. Alright guys, here it is, my 2009 Russlock Stag. Look at that, looks like it's got salt and pepper in that Stag. You know what? Look at it. It's beautiful, ain't it guys? Didn't even have to torch this side or toast it. But look at that, I toasted this side. Beautiful, ain't it? Love it guys. This thing looks good. Uh-oh. Give it a nice new edge up through there. It was kind of chipped up in a few spots. Had to go over it a few times. See that edge right there? It's sharp too. Beautiful piece now. I'll be carrying this thing. Check that out though. It's got some dark specks in that antler. Like this side here, see? All the little black and black specks. Got it up here. Just got it right back here. Ain't that cool? Beautiful, man. Yep, this is gonna be my carry for a while now. I already retired my orange one, and I'll show you where it's at. I've got some more knives on the way. My hand is really tired from sanding and from weed eating today. Ooh, about got me, see? There, about got me. But it didn't. That blade is a little stiff still. I have to work on that. Guys, there's my Russlock right there. And there's that one I just got in, that trapper. There's that other trapper I got from World Famous. I got to open it up. Look at that bone right there. That's autumn bone right there. That is harvest orange. And this is autumn bone. Beautiful, ain't it? Oh, I can't tell what the difference is. I know that one looks a little bit shinier and smoother. That one don't look as smooth. And I sanded that one down myself, and it looks just like that one. Beautiful, but that looks like a piece of candy right there, don't it? Halloween candy. But there's my autumn bone Russlock, guys. It would be in there forever. And again, I have this side cleaned out, waiting for some more case knives. Hoorah. Good deal. Love this stuff, guys. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I love doing that right there, guys. That is a beautiful piece of stag. Is it not? I love that toasting job right there. Beautiful. Man, it's beautiful. Love it. That's going to be my carry for a while, guys. I got my orange one over there with my Halloween knives, and the other harvest orange or the autumn bone. They look the same to me, harvest orange or autumn bone. I can't tell them apart. But this is a great knife, guys. I got it for 70 bucks. It was they wanted 99 and I offered them 70 because I just love that stag right there. Beautiful. And guys, I can't get over that. Man, that looks a whole lot better than what it was. I love doing this stuff, guys. Love it. I really do. I love taking a dirty knife and cleaning it up, and it's just something about it. I love the finished product. I'm like, man, look at that right there. Love it, guys. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to say God bless each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. And guys, just like that, y'all thought the video ended, right? You see how that side turned out. This side turned out like that too. But you know what? The more I look at it, I'm fixing to toast them indentions right there. I'm going to put oil in them little slots there and toast it. I got to, guys. I won't be satisfied until I do. Let that sit there for a minute. Okay, we're just gonna dab this away right there. Open this beautiful blade up. I got a lot of them scratches out of that blade. And now we're fitting to torch it. Okay, guys, now we're going to let that cool off, and we're going to feather it in. All right. Look at that beautiful thing right there. Is that not cool or what now? She looks a lot better. Anyway, guys, I had to toast it. I had to see what it looked like. And I'm so glad I did. That's beautiful. Beautiful piece. I just couldn't live with inside that valley right there not being dark. I couldn't live with that light brown. But she looks good now. Don't she? I love it. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. I say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.